You are never down.
I'm as down as your butthole.
It's very up and tight. All right, we're back with more Monkey Ball. And Hunter's done with his beehole fetish of me.
No.
Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Oh, did you say...
Have you ever had athlete's foot?
No. What?
Cool.
That was spot on. Garbage.
It's rad, man.
Your turn.
Okay.
Have you?
No.
Have you ever had diabetes? Yeah, me neither.
If you have diabetes like me, you may qualify for... I don't even know where it goes from there, but... You know Wilford Brimley? American
We feel
icon,
ya.
national
We feel
hero.
ya. We know
No.
you. We love you. Would you take your shot?
I'm calculating.
Calculating. Calculating.
That was...
Error.
Oh,
Error. Error.
Ooh, baby. Oh,
Dude, you
baby.
suck.
Oh, baby. Baby girl. Baby girl. Oh.
Yeah, dude. Look, I don't get
What's
this.
this game all about
I don't get this
anyway?
hole. I don't get the hole. Do you understand the hole?
I don't get the hole. No.
I don't understand the hole. Oh, too far.
I don't understand the hole. I understand it now.
Here we go. Here we go.
I know
Here
how to
we go.
win.
How?
I'm telling you.
I just got that perfect. Did you hear that? Bling, bling.
Well, now you sliced it off the edge.
I know. Oh. Oh. What?
Yes!
Garbage. Okay, go then, loser.
Okay, I'm going. If I put this in, I win.
Put it in. Put it in. Look, that's a big hole. You can put it in.
You gotta stop with these.
You're the one that brought up shaving bee holes.
That might be true.
Might be.
I'm not guilty. Well, okay, so that might not have been my best shot ever, but I'm still better than you.
So far, I'm winning.
I think
Maybe
not.
maybe not this hole, but I won the last one.
Yeah.
I won the bee hole. Hole B. Freaking.
Dude, this music though.
I know,
I
it's
don't
super
remember it
groovy.
being so much like
Here
this.
we go. Well, I don't
Okay,
think.
I.
There we go.
No,
That's it. That's the one.
man.
That's the one.
Oh man. Go off, baby. You don't land on the middle, baby girl. Yeah!
How?
Mama loves you. Mama
Dude,
loves you.
Okay, no. This is it. You know what? We're gonna undershoot it. Dang it!
Yes. That is what I like to see from you.
Nope, 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 nope.
You
Dude,
got one
you
more
know what?
shot and you lose.
Yeah, this game sucks. No, I got 2 shots. I got 2 shots, bro. You know what? It's suggesting this shot, so I'm gonna take this shot. I
You're
hit the
bad.
button
You're bad.
right on the freaking thing, and it shoots it off.
You are so bad.
Look at that! I don't get it.
That one pretty
Screw
far.
it.
That one really far. Obi,
All I know is you're not gonna make it.
give up.
Give up.
Give up, son.
Bull crap. Okay, here we go.
I just have to get it in
Let's see
5.
your majesty. You have to get it in 5. That's nearly impossible.
Perfect.
There you go.
That's putting. Don't want that necessarily.
That's not putting. That's chipping. Putting, it won't make you putt until you're on the green. Oh, never mind. Yeah, that's putting.
I don't know if I can trust you.
Definitely putting. Definitely putting.
Well, that's not going far enough now, is it?
That's what she said. And
Look at this.
how'd you get that? How'd you do that?
Look at that.
Oh, you are putting.
Yeah, you little dip. Weed.
You're
Nice one.
This is garbage.
The
you know?
commentary.
The next one is the real one. It will determine the fate of the world.
Do you want to know the
So, yeah.
best Halloween outfit that I never wore?
What?
Whoa!
Go, baby!
Shot it to the moon!
You have to... That's the outfit? What's the best outfit you ever wore?
You wear a pair of jeans.
No t-shirt.
You draw a face on a potato. You put it in your zipper. There you go. Boom. Evil dictator.
In high school,
Okay.
I had a pair of gym shorts that had a hole right in the nut area.
Uh-huh.
And I'd always like stick my hand down the back of my pants.
Okay.
So like you wouldn't see my arm. I'd be sitting and like I'd look at my friend, be totally spread open and stick my finger through it.
Oh.
And he'd look at me and he'd like look up at my face and then like realize what it was. And he'd always,
Whoa!
dude, I don't think you got this. He'd always get super pissed at me for that. The best Halloween costume I ever had. 1 year in elementary school, I went as the girl I liked.
Oh shit! I just
You're just going back and forth. There was a girl in my class. You know, in elementary school, I had really, really long red hair, right?
Uh-huh.
There was a girl in my class, and she would always wear... What? So, bro, this is your last shot.
This is impossible.
This is your last shot. She'd always wear camo pants and a jazz t-shirt. What are you doing? What was that?
I
Camo
don't know
pants
how to
and a jazz
play
t-shirt.
this game.
So on Halloween, I wore camo pants and a jazz t-shirt. She got really mad at me.
Was she scared out of her mind?
Yeah, it wasn't good. We were friends.
Do you
but
have
I
a
guess that just
restraining
wasn't
order?
appropriate.
No? Does she have a restraining order against you now?
Yeah.
Does she
So
really?
are we? No.
So that one doesn't
So
count.
are we?
like-
Oh, I thought it was gonna end there, and I thought it was
I'll
a
give
doodle.
You get the win. You get the win on the
No,
golf.
no.
No, you get the win. You get the
Sure.
win. Yeah.
You want one more?
Well, yeah, no, we both failed 2 rounds, and then you won once, so
Okay, that sounds good. So we both won one.
I pitied
Right?
the fool. Yeah.
We both won one. Okay, you gotta pick the last one. Because technically, I picked the first
Monkey
two.
target.
What's monkey target?
Mimi's my.
I want baby.
Number of balls.
I got 2.
We just want
2.
3 rounds.
Sure. I have no idea what this game is. What's this game?
On. Items are off. We want them off.
Sure. You still haven't told me what this game
You
is.
fly down a ramp, then you open your ball, and then you close your ball again.
Why would you open your ball?
So you go down this ramp, right?
Dude, this is weird
then-
because we're like actually playing.
Figure out when to open your balls. So let's just go with who gets closer or who gets highest points.
No, let's go with who gets the most nanners.
No.
So I just close it.
Yeah.
That did not move as much as I thought it would.
Go!
Orange.
Yes!
Garbage! Okay, now I get this game.
Yeah. Okay, that was round 1.
Okay, whatever. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go.
This was my favorite game of all of them. Hey, would you not do that?
Crap. Shit. 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 Go, baby. Go, baby. Go, baby. Get all the points. Screw Hunter. Screw Hunter. What are we playing? 3 rounds?
Yeah. This one looks hard.
Hey!
I'm amazing!
Damn it! What did you get? 400?
Yeah.
Garbage!
Oh, that feels good.
Okay, you know what? This is the one where you fail and you suck.
That
Was beautiful.
Thank you, sir.
It was beautiful.
Oh, it's because you're baby, dude. Get out of here.
Why? Because I have no weight?
They sound like Pikmin.
What's
ever play that?
Pikmin?
What is wrong with you?
No, I never played Pikmin.
You never owned a GameCube as a child.
Yeah, I did. I just didn't play stupid games.
Oh, you take that back? Oh shit.
Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Oh gosh.
Oh gosh.
Oh.
Go off.
Woo, buddy. Frick, did you swoop around?
I did.
You freaking suck.
There's wind. I'll just take any points because I win.
You're a butthole.
I win. I beat you at Super Monkey Ball.
No, you didn't.
I won billiards. Now this.
We're going one more.
No.
I won at golf. That counts as 2.
No,
that
no,
counts as 2.
No.
That was garbage. I didn't know how to play this game.
No.
One more. We have time for one more. We have one. We have time for one more.
This is just an extra one, but I win.
No, that's not
true. I beat
true.
you at Sonic.
That's
I beat you at Monkey Ball.
You did not beat me at Sonic.
So
Monkey fight. Here we go. I'm gonna punch your freaking balls. What's survival mode? No. Knock your opponents off. Yep. Here we go. I'm gonna freaking murder you. Gong gong.
This doesn't go towards the score count.
How many wins necessary? Best out of 3. No. 2 wins. Exciting puzzle ring. You pick the next one.
I don't care.
You don't care?
I don't care.
You're lame.
This doesn't go towards the
game start. Here we go. Yes, it
the
does.
score count.
You're stupid.
That was hurtful and rude.
You know, you've been really mean to me today.
I just talked about your butthole.
Oh, shit!
How do you play? This is literally impossible.
Now I just gotta stay away from you. Oh, gosh. I fell too. Yeah, go get the items.
I tried. How do you punch me so far?
I don't know.
Is it because you're gone?
Maybe.
That's what? What? Oh, you got an iron fist. What is this garbage?
Murdering you. Dude, are you sure you wanted to play one more? I don't know why you wanted to play one more. You were I thought you just ran yourself off the stage.
Towards the...
Dude, I freaking
Does
murdered.
That last forever?
Murdered. I guess. I don't know, but I freaking rocked that one. Look at me.
You're a piece of garbage.
I'm like Muhammad Ali. I'm black.
That's not... You're not...
Could you not do that?
I thought I was red. Oh.
Did you really?
Yeah.
What the frick? How did I go?
How do you fly? You can fly?
Goodbye. Dude, I know, that was weird. Oh, dude, you totally
My stand
flew.
fell over.
Your mic stand?
Yeah. Why do you get the
I got the iron
fist?
one. No! Oh, I'm good.
Now I've got 0 things.
Good.
You have all the things!
Dude, I love this game.
Oh, this
Here
is
we go.
dumb.
Come on, come down, come down, come down.
Give me that. I can't do jack. I'm glad this doesn't count towards
No, this totally counts.
No.
I might throw up. Oh, I won. It was first to 2 wins. Morgan wins.
No, you don't.
Dude, you know what the best thing is I
it
do the
doesn't-
editing, so I can cut out all the parts where you win.
Oh, you're dumb. That's a whole big section.
No, it's great. It's great.
Well, thanks for watching and listening to Morgan cough right
Yeah,
in your ear.
I know. Thanks for,
Yeah.
well,
We're going to go now. So
crap.
I beat you at Sonic and Super Monkey Ball.
No.
What is
won.
next?
No, I won at 2
What
of the Super
is
Monkey
next?
Balls. And I have 2 Super Monkey Balls. I have 2 of them. And I won. This whole thing.
I'm rubbing my beard
won it
against
all.
the pop filter.
I can
It
tell.
feels nice.
It's coming through the filter.
Good. Thanks for watching.
So-
Subscribe.
What's next is Morgan killing Hunter in another
Morgan,
game.
this was a real hoot.
Maybe we'll play some real monkey ball
I
games.
just wish you had more skill to compete a little bit harder.
I just wish you had more time to record, because you never do.
I always have.
Sure.
The episode has ended by now, I'm sure.
No, I'm sure. No, it's not.
Fuck you. I didn't say the F word. I said fuck.
I thought I had a friend.
Who gave a thuck? I said thuh.
You're like the kid on the playground that says, "Holy shit, I didn't say the T."
Yeah, he did. That kid didn't swear.
Did you hear me fart every time I coughed right there? It was like a...
I didn't. Remember that time you broke your back?
Oh, dude, do we have that recorded still?
It would be you.
Okay, I'm going to find it.
Let's find it right now.
I'm going to
find
it.
And find it.
I'm going to find it.
Okay.
We'll add it. We'll add it. Love ya.
I feel like that'd be some. Ouch.
I just broke my
like-
neck. I just broke my neck. Oh! It seriously just cracked. Did you hear it crack?
Yeah. And there's.
You did?
Yeah, I heard that.
It's I can't move it. 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 I can't move it.
What were you doing?
I don't know, but it hurts. Oh my gosh. Okay, I gotta take my headphones off. Oh man, I need to lay down. Oh, man.
What happened? What were you doing?
Move the cushion. Move the cushion. Move the cushion. Just push it. Push it. Oh, never mind. I'm flat. Oh. Are we recording?
Yeah, it's going.
Oh.
I heard that pop. I'm sure it was on the microphone too. What? What?
I went to stretch my arms and my back just went. Now I can't breathe out my nose. Oh, I'm crying. I didn't like cry from pain. I was crying from laughter. It's just like I can't move now.
I am wet, and your fart stinks so bad. Oh, that reeks, man.
Can you say that again? Can you say that again into the microphone? I am wet.
I am wet.
I'm sorry.